What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nick, and I'm in the kitchen cooking. Listen, it's nice like this when I have to like channel all the gods, channel all the things because I'm making a meal. I have to make a meal that is great for my athlete son. It's a late night. As soon as we're done with football, we move straight into basketball training and all the things. So tonight I need to replenish all of the energy that he expends at training. So I'm making fish tacos. It also needs to be delicious and something he wants. And it's still his birthday week. So I gotta do something he likes. So I'm making fish tacos with unfried catfish and all the fixings. And I'm gonna show y'all how I'm making it. Unfried catfish, unfried. I'm gonna show you how I make it. First, let me show you all the fixings. So here I have my salsa. That's just a standard red salsa. And usually I like pico, but for tacos, I will make a salsa. This is a green sauce. Avery specifically asked for this. This is salsa verde, but it has avocados in there. And I don't really know what that's called, but it's a green sauce. Deliciousness. And then I have here some queso fresco, which I absolutely love. It's so fresh and so delicious. So those are my fixings. And now I'm going to show y'all how I make this unfried catfish for these fish tacos. I'm using just enough oil to coat the bottom of a pan. And I didn't show y'all this, but my quote unquote batter is just equal parts cornmeal and flour. And I season to taste. Dredge the catfish nuggets in that batter and then lay them in the pan, flesh side down first. So have a look at that, you guys. That is some crispy fried catfish and maybe 2 tablespoons of oil, enough to coat the bottom of this small pan. Don't need much. All that's in my batter is cornmeal, flour, and seasoning. And I just make sure that I coat those little catfish nuggets really, really well. This is for tacos, so that's all I'm using is nuggets. And look at how beautiful that fry, quote unquote, fry is on those. I'm just gonna move those over to my rack and let them drain and put the next batch on. And we'll be good. And so I'm just doing this to show that you don't need any special equipment. You don't need any you don't need to spend a ton of money or use a lot of oil to get that flavor that you want, that fried texture that you want. You can do that. This is just a ceramic pan. This is not even non-stick. This is a ceramic pan and the tiny bit of oil in here and just a little bit of coating on my fish and everything is all good. You don't need a ton. You don't need a special like air fryer or a special oven or anything else like that to get that fried flavor that you want and that crispiness that you want. So just to show you how this is still really hot, but just to show you that this is hot. It's truly very crispy and delicious. I'm gonna take a bite for you guys. Can you hear that? It's delicious. Crunchy. And that's no egg wash, no dredging, and then egg wash, and then dredging again. It's just flour and cornmeal with your seasoning. And the great thing about doing it that way is that you can taste it before you actually put the fish in there and know that the flavor is good. If the flavor is not exactly what you want it to be, you can always add more salt, pepper, cayenne, whatever you want to add after the fact. But tons of flavor, tons of crunch without having to deep fry. So that's it, you guys. That's how I unfry fish for fish tacos. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, like this video if you like this video, and I would love it if you would subscribe and share with your friends.